Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, the last day of the month, Friday, September the 30th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them, yes. And also these 2 regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And what's the news of today? Well, Russia, yes, this today, Russia annexation, here of the southern Ukraine. So people have voted there and they want to belong to Russia. So Russia declared the annexation of southern Ukraine. That's the news. So, well, that's the plan of Putin. All right, enough about the war. Let's start with the Sudoku Light. This one will be number 5254. 5254. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a fast, a 1 star. Well, 2 minutes already passed. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So in the column between, the 1 in last column, the 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. All right. Okay. Do I have all the ones? No. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the row above, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Then. The 2 in this row. Last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first column. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well. Am I stuck? Am I stuck? 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 4 now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left. Oh, the 8, not the 4. So 4 and the 7 are left. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So the 8, 4 and 7. Okay. Then. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then. How about we have a pair, I believe. We have a pair. No. Let me continue with this big square. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have 3 in this column. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5. It goes there. 6. Okay. And now 2, 8 and 7, 2, 8, 7. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 6. 3, 6, and 9. 3, 6, and 9. Okay. Let me think. 6. Come on. Yeah. How about the number? Yeah, we have a pair. 3 and a 9 in the third row. 3 and a 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So what are these missing numbers in the second row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. And now 4. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7. And 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. 7. Come on. 9. How about 9. Okay, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. We have a 9 in that row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So for the 5 and 8 are left. 5 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. And then 9. 5, 8, and a 7. 5, 8, and a 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 6. Here should be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 there in the middle column. So two boxes left in the middle column. For the 6. Could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay, 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 and the 6 and the 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah. I need to think. 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. Here 3 in the third column. No 3 there. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. That means that this box, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here 9 in the middle row. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. UK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. Okay. 1 box left in this last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here in the middle column. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there, we see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in this column, third column. 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 and 8. Well, we have an 8 now in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. How about the 6 in this column, the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. All right. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 3. All right, 1 box left in this column. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me see. Well, cannot fill this yet. Oh, well, no. 2 and a 7. Well, about those 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 now in this big square. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. I'm surprised. 2 stars. 2 stars. It's not a light. I think this is not a light, because a light in couple of weeks ago, we have 36 printed digits. Well, this one 27 printed digits, so 9 digits less. Well, anyway, the puzzles are getting more difficult. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.